Alex, the parrot who saw too much. They said it was just a parrot, a harmless bird. But Alex, he wasn't harmless. He listened, and he watched. In 1976, a gray parrot arrived at a quiet lab. The researchers thought they were teaching him words. But Alex, he was already learning. Before any lessons, he spoke one word no one taught him. Come here. It wasn't playful. It wasn't curious. It was deliberate. Over the years, Alex learned hundreds of words, colors, numbers, concepts, things no bird should understand. But at night, alone in his cage, Alex whispered, "I see you, behind you. Don't leave." He stared into empty corners, counted things, people, objects that weren't there. Some staff never stayed late again. Some never returned. For 30 years, Alex watched, listened, learned. Too much. Then, one night, he looked at Dr. Pepperberg and spoke his last words. "You be good. See you tomorrow. I love you." But there was no tomorrow. The next morning, Alex was still, eyes wide open, as if he had seen something we could not. And some say, if you go near his old cage, late at night, when the wind stops, you can still hear him whisper, "Come here. Follow. Before Alex finds you."